here. So now we're going to couple these simple slide sleepers. So you can see I've already done the upper. I've prepared the insole, the upper, and the sole is prepared already. So now we're going to last the upper to the sole. Let's start with the right leg first. We'll need some nails. You're going to nail this to the last to keep it in place. Now we've positioned this to this. So next thing we're going to do is mark out the upper. Mark it out. This is where we want it to be. This is how we want it to be. It stays like this. So, we'll mark it out using our pencil. So mark it. So you want to transfer the mark you've made on the right to the left. And then last to the left. Well, we can as well transfer the mark here to this place to just have a hint. Since their measurement is the same, you can easily transfer. But this is a straight material, so you may find it difficult to transfer the mark because it absorbs the pen. But the one on this here, you can easily put it this way. You see? Then hit it. You can see we have this here. Very easy. And as for this one, let's get this one up here and this one up here. You're gonna put it here. Hit, and see, you've gotten the mark here. So the next thing we're gonna do, extend this, extend it to join this other one, this one too. We extend the line to meet this point. So we're ready to apply gum. So next thing is to apply gum to the upper. Let's start with the, well, you can start with any leg, but let me start with the right leg. Yes. So the pattern is not a complex pattern, it's a very simple pattern. And this, although the sample that was shown to me doesn't have this, but in order to make my product unique, I need to obstruct what was sent to me. So I decided to add this, which gives it a, it makes it even, it looks better this way, isn't it? So I haven't done this. Allow the left leg to dry up already. The right leg is ready. It's dried already, so we just go ahead to attach. It's very easy. Just follow the mark you've put it this way first. Attach the other one too. Then you attach this, and also this. So then you do this. Hello, you're done with this. So take out the excess. My scissors is not that sharp. I need to sharpen the scissors. So there's this excess here also. So the right leg is ready. So the next now is to attach the left leg just as we did to the right leg. We'll do same to the left leg, but nothing, not a big deal. Just put this and like this, then this, and then here. So the upper is ready. So the next thing we will do now is to detach the upper from the last, separate it from the last. You can see how it looks. Isn't this beautiful? Come on, look at this. You need to place an order bar. You need to get this. Let it be in your closet. Alaikum salam. And this has to be in your closet. Come on, Haba. Look at this. Now this is the stove. Let's just put it on the stove and you see how beautiful it will look. Look at this. Come on. So the next thing already we've applied gum on the stove. We'll go ahead to apply gum on the foot mud, and that is the upper of the shoe. But before doing that, take note, you have to file this, and this edge you have to take it as low as possible in order not to have space here after attaching. You take this as low as possible. So let's mark our limit. This is the limit here. This is the limit for that one, and let's just give this here. The limit for this one. So we'll go ahead to file. The filing machine is right behind me. My camera is not movable, so I'll have to go and do this and come back. So now, welcome back. We filed the upper. Now we apply our gum. Okay, guys. Now is the attaching time. In addition to the gum we've applied, we'll apply a shoe glue, the edge of the sole for the tougher band, and sealing the edge. Then we attach. Remember, while attaching, you place the front first. Gently. You don't have to rush because the shoe glue doesn't dry quickly. So take your time. Good. So we attach the back. But that not been okay. And you're done. You're done. So see, my shoe is ready for use. See, perfectly. So you can see I'll show you them already. It's ready. How do you see this? I mean, you need to have this in your closet. Very mature. A durable slippers. So very durable. The upper made up of a high quality suede material. The edge is made up of a tough leather, foreign leather material that doesn't peel. And this is a very solid logo. The foot mat is very, very durable. It doesn't peel, not crack, not breaks. The bond is a very tough bond. So what are you waiting for? Make your order now.